Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to duplicate a product in your Shopify store. Duplicating products is a quick way to save time when creating similar listings. This is especially helpful if we want to reuse descriptions, images, or settings. Let's go step by step and make a copy of a product. On your Shopify dashboard, go to your products. You can locate products in the upper left part of your dashboard. Once we're here, we just need to click the product we want to duplicate. Now, to duplicate this product, simply click Duplicate in the upper part of your product page. Just click Duplicate. As you can see, there are no settings here. We can configure this as needed. You can make adjustments here. Once we're done, just quickly duplicate the product. And that's how we duplicate products in your Shopify store. These simple tricks help us speed up product creation and keep our listings consistent.